How to trick the universe into solving your problems the easy way. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the difference in where problems are versus where solutions can be found. I'm going to explain to you how the soul views problems, and I'm going to give you 3 ways to stop feeding problems so the universe can deliver you solution after solution. So let's jump right in. Abraham Hicks says a problem and a solution live in different spaces, different frequencies, like different floors of a tall building. So to fix any problem in your life, you don't need to hone in on the problem. You will be going down a problem rabbit hole. For example, if the problem lives in the basement, at the basement level frequency, if you go deep into that problem, you stay at the basement level with all the other problems. And that's just what you'll get. You'll find more problems to deal with, because where problems live, solutions don't, and they will never be found there. You have to pivot to where the solutions are and go down those rabbit holes. And there you will find solution after solution, because that's where they live. So let me speak about the universe. It acts just like a giant mirror, reflecting back to you whatever you focus on. So that means the way you see the world gets amplified back to you, so that if you say problem, the universe takes that as an instruction and says, problem, send a problem down to you. So when you change the way you focus, change what you give your attention to, think about, talk about, etc., and the universe will change what it's delivering to you. So, what is a problem anyway? Really? A problem is just something that you'd rather not have in your life, from the point of view of the logical human mind. However, from a soul's point of view, problem is good. It's a treat. We did not come here to have everything lined up, in order, in place, already done, set up, and all we have to do is show up to the party. No. Souls love challenges. They love to grow. A soul is an eternal entity. It loves to grow. It doesn't like to stay stagnant, doing the same thing the same way. It needs stimulation. We didn't come here to win a trophy or to just show up at a party for nothing. The soul likes going through the process. We're here for going through the process, having a journey, going through a training, a learning, dealing with the ups and downs, figuring it out. That's stimulating, having an opportunity to create something new, maybe a new concept, a new combination of concepts, solutions. Nevertheless, if you keep focusing on what's wrong, you stay stuck. You shift your focus, your solutions pop out of nowhere seemingly. So here are 3 tricks to get reality, to get the universe working in your favor. Number 1, change your focus. Do you know that if you're dealing with 3 things and one is a problem, and you only focus on the problem, you begin to vibrate like a problem, because that's where all your attention and energy is going. The universe will mimic you and cause problems, tidal waves of problems to you. It will cause problems in the other 2 things, because you are vibrating like a problem. You are in sync with problems. The universe is going to give you more problems. So the other 2 that were going well will become a problem. So the universe will create momentum for you of problem after problem, because according to the universe, you've placed that order with your attention, your thoughts, your worries, your fears, your heightened emotions of frustration and overwhelm that something isn't going well. Now, let me talk about the reverse. If you're dealing with 3 things and one is going great, and you focus most of your time on the one thing that's going well, while giving the bare minimum of attention to the other 2, the universe will see that you give your attention to what is going well, and you keep your focus on what is working out, and the universe will sense your thoughts and heightened emotions of being pleased and grateful that something is going well for you. Sidebar: you are a grand and glorious creator, and you put obstacles in the way. You created things to work out and figure out on your path to block you sometimes. It grows the soul, and the soul loves to grow, as I said. That's why many souls decide to come to Earth, because Earth is one of the densest, if not the densest planet in the multiverse. Meaning, We come here forgetting who we are, and the journey back to consciousness is one of the longest, and it's a delicious journey. But I want to say any attempts towards consciousness are praised and rewarded, whether they are achieved or not. There are spiritual rewards for that, meaning the soul gets to elevate to a higher level when it returns home. The attempts at more consciousness, just a genuine wish for a better life, will be highlighted by infinite intelligence, by the universe. But also, that wish in your heart also means you are equipped to take the journey to make that a reality in your life. Number 2, stop feeding emotional reactions. Here's a truth bomb. Your emotions are fuel for your problems. Ever notice how some things only bother you when you react strongly? Let's say you get a parking ticket, okay? If you let yourself spiral thinking, why does this always happen to me? You're giving the problem more power. Instead, try this. When something annoying happens, pause, take a deep breath, and remind yourself, this doesn't have to break my day. This is one moment in time. And you can remind yourself of 1 or 2 things that went well for you that day or another day. When you stop reacting emotionally, the problem loses its grip on you. It loses its power over you. Think of it like this. Problems are like stray cats. If you keep feeding them your energy and your emotions, they'll keep showing up. So stop feeding them and they'll eventually find somewhere else to go. Number 3, drop the labels. We tend to label things as good or bad, but these labels are just our logical minds. The soul knows better. Problems are opportunities for growth, and we weren't meant to live in perpetual problems. We were meant to experience life like waves of an ocean, ups and downs and calms. But as a surfer, we are surfers. We can enjoy it all and make peace with it all. When you label something as a problem, you attract negative meaning to it, and it sticks. Instead of saying, this is bad, this is horrible, try saying, it's just a situation. Or you can say, I can handle this. Or you can say, how does it get better than this? What is this teaching me? What am I learning from this? And these are responses that can empower you. Imagine every time you call something a problem, you're sticking a label on it and you're sticking it to yourself. That label makes it harder to see the solution. Stop labeling and you'll find it easier to move forward. Are you ready to let go of your problems? Here's the real question. Are you willing to stop seeing life through the lens of problems or your logical mind only? If so, try these tricks. Focus on what you want. Stop reacting emotionally and drop the labels. Stop using those labels. And if you need help with that, click the link in the description for 101 solutions or a private session with me. The universe is always listening. The more you believe in solutions, the more they appear. Please know that nothing has meaning but the meaning that you give it. And a belief is just a thought you keep thinking over and over and over again. And any belief that is not helping you, serving you, is boxing you in, keeping you stuck, and weighing you down. So are you ready to start seeing things differently? And are you ready to allow the universe to give you solution upon solution? Try it and watch what happens.